In this video, we will learn how we can easily download our image. To download, click on download here and select the format. Since we added a video before, for an example, it is showing the following option, but I'll go for PNG and click on download, gathering downloads, and it will download now. Here it is downloaded. You can see the name of the image also, untitled. Right click and open. Here it is visible. Okay. Or I'll go to right click and show in folder. Okay, so I'll right click, open with photos. You can see it is visible here. Okay. In this way we can easily download it. You can see the file name is untitled. Okay, so obviously we don't want the same. I'll do this webinar Amit Diwan, or Python webinar. This will be the name of the file image. Okay, now I'll click on download and you can see the difference. Same download, PNG download, and now you can see the name of the image. We saved it as the title, not the following, so I'll just change it here. Python webinar Amit Diwan. Okay, so this is the page 1. This is page 1. Let me change it to Python webinar 1. We can add more pages here. I'll just download it and let's now see what is visible. Click download. Right click and you can see the name of the image is different Python webinar. Right click and show in folder. Here it is. Okay, here it is. So guys, in this way we can easily download our image in PNG format. Thank you for watching the video.